Okay, yeah, I'm about to do my own review of Alkaline concert because I don't like how y'all trying to style my artist.
A few moments later.
It was still good if you ask me. Like, I sung my heart out. It was a 10 out of 10. And I seen Rod Wave. I seen Chris Brown. Chris Brown is amazing. I seen Shantia. I seen Spice. I seen Vice Cartel. I seen all of them. And this has to be the best show because he performed his songs. Him and Chris Brown. Top one.
Mad thing.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know Media Fox, no thing said. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up everybody. As me say, promotional purposes, NTP, no pussy test. Go stream it on all platform, Alkaline album. It loud, it a mash up the place. We no cater when nobody want say. You understand? And music we say. You see it? Yeah, man. So people, this is a fan that support music and support an artist. Them have them favorite artists, but them still support dancehall. And I really want on the ear because maybe a lot of other people are say it, but them just now forward out come say it. But true Alkaline show the bag of hate around it and every little thing, and some fans maybe see it and start come talk reality where I go on. You understand? And this topic is very interesting. You know Media Fox got to work already. Big up on yourself. You don't know anything said. Respect for the support. It no matter which fan base or which artist. Big up on yourself. I want dancehall. You understand? But listen what I want, people.
Okay, I'm about to do my own review of Alkaline concert because I don't like how y'all trying to style my artist. I keep seeing different reviews from Jamaicans and Americans, and all I have to say is, first off, why was Americans even here? So here's 4 things I feel like everybody should have said but left out, or said it was a bad thing when to me it was a good thing. First of all, let's start with the fact that y'all keep talking about he didn't come out till 10, he didn't come out till 10. Every concert I have been to, that doors open at 7, the artists always come out at 9:30, 10. And not gonna lie, at 9 o'clock, and if you know Jamaicans is never on time, at 9 o'clock, all the seats was empty. I'm like, this cannot be the sold out show that they were saying that it was on the internet. Around 9:45, the Jamaicans came out, every seat was filled. I got a video showing what the hell happened in a blink of an eye.
Alright, people. Boy. I'm glad she said every seat full. You understand? I'm glad she said that. Because we see it for ourselves. Because, you see, the thing is that the way how the show is set up, right, people, is like, when me I watch the time, I say, yo, Jano, wagwan. Because, you know, some people may be around late and everything, but, yo, the people them rushing so fast. It's like them outside, they get picture, a bag of things. The line, I'm going to tell it to people, the anticipation towards the show, the line was very long. And people are buying merch outside and all of them little thing there. A bag of thing, but quick time. The people them just full up in there one time, and people they still are forwarding same way. So the thing is that people expect say your opening act, but if we did have opening act, right? Because remember, I work with that time. I think I like 12 o'clock the show lock off or so. So the opening acting, it would have been there, and like nobody would really in there yet. You understand? So it don't make no sense the opening act upon the stage. What them do? Perform front of small amount of people. You understand? And these are new rules. And to be honest, this show, you know, Alkaline have him fans. Them are foul. Them are more focused on him. Alkaline fan base, it's not normal. Like the youth have a catalog the way. Yo, trust me, it's not normal. You see me? But these are the thing now, people. Remember, say the timing and every little thing. Remember, you're not going to perform and the people them not forward in yet. You understand? But boom, the forward in place, ram out everything, sold out every little thing. Fine. You see me?
If Alkaline would have came out any earlier, who would he be performing for? The people who got there early and not the whole crowd? 2, I feel like Alkaline do not need no openers. Mic drop. I feel like you don't need no openers because...
Yo, then Vendetta girls are not easy. Alkaline don't need no openers. Mic drop. Yo, Alkaline, Vendetta girl, you know, play with them artists. Don't feel like you want to style them artists, you know. You understand? Because them know so them artists not trouble people, you know. So, yo, one thing I can say. Yo, I see a lot of Vendetta girls them on the internet and them are defend them artists, you know. As some know you man have girl fans like crazy, you know. You know, too see no baga like a girl them a forward out and talk. You understand? Them a forward out and talk, people. You see, because them rate the artists. Not only for music, in personality, or him just easy and lay back and, you understand? Yeah.
He had so many hits. Mind you, me and my homegirl, before we went, we made a list of songs we wanted to hear. Not only did we hear all the songs we wanted to hear, it was like 3 or 4 songs we did not hear. And then on the drive home, it was more songs we did not put on the list that we wanted to hear. That's how many hits he has. And I'm not gonna lie, I like that. I don't want to go to nobody concert and their friends because I notice that's when they do half-ass jobs. They let all the openers or all the other performers come out and perform the whole entire show, and they come with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 songs. That's it. Alkaline performed over 30 songs. But I'm not gonna lie, I have to talk about the seat thing. When I got there, it was some girls in our seat. We asked them to move, they did move. But one girl said that it was letting, like, you know, the pretty girls at the BBLs and the design.
And this are the thing. You see? Why may I tell you, So them prefer, the artists them dead and them not the bagga artists, especially the main actor them really come for see. You understand? So it's like I guess them want the artists if you like enjoy with the artist catalog or more than so the calling out artists and then the break from the artist, the main artist with them the headliner. Yeah. So at that, then maybe I say, yo, that them really come for see the artist. So that is an artist then when you look at 10 artists on the show and it a cut out the artist there. You understand when that artist are mainly really forward for. You see me?
And outfits and the makeup, they were letting him go down. Yes, they was. I watched it. It was like this guy who went out, he had to show his ticket, but the girls behind him, oh no, they just walked down. So, and I did see a lot of fights happening on the floor because I was in section 25 and my seat was $528. So I couldn't imagine how much they paid on the floor just to come and somebody was sitting in their seat. I feel like instead of spending money on your outfit, you should spend money on your seat. Cranium could sing his ass off. Honestly, Cranium is so underrated. He got hit. So when he was singing, it was kind of like, okay, a little intermission, that's fine. The only thing with the concert that confused me is the drummers. I would understand if they was drumming like a Alkaline rhythm or something. They was not. They were just drumming what? Freestyle? Oh my God. Yeah. Not one Vice Cartel song played. So we got there at 8:30 because I just didn't want to miss anything. Alkaline is my favorite artist. And if he did come out early, I did not want to miss it. When I tell y'all for an hour and a half, no Vice Cartel, no Massacre, no Skeng, no Tommy Lee, no none of that. Like you hear rhythm and you know Vice Cartel got the baddest song on the rhythm and nothing. It was just so weird because I be forgetting like dancehall is so much bigger than Vice Cartel, but it was crazy not to hear him at all. Then Alkaline is the main entertainment, so we didn't hear no Alkaline songs either. So it was just catching a vibe to other songs. Like, it was just weird. It was weird. It was different, but it was still good if you ask me.
Yes, so a lot of people are gonna hear that and say, oh, this, that, rare. And you have to understand, say, it's a short space of time. I don't know what time the place open. You understand? So DJ does a play songs. You understand? Just a play songs. You see it? Because at the end of the day, the artists not there. Certain people not there at the show as yet. You see me? And as I hear other artists, you not hear other artists sing. You see it? So it not have nothing to do with no politics or whatsoever. You see me? DJ them just do them thing, I play some songs. Maybe I play some songs that just relax like early part of the show and all of them look at thing there. You understand? Just I play some songs for this early settings. Cause first of all, the people them kind of forward in late. You understand? Cause some outside them buy merge. You see me? Some the rush. Sometimes some people the line did long outside and people are try, take them look at time, collect the ticket for going. You understand? So that kinda, and some people run late. That's why I go show business go. You see me?
Like, I sung my heart out. It was a 10 out of 10. And I seen Rod Wave, I seen Chris Brown. Chris Brown was amazing. I seen Shantia, I seen Spice, I seen Vice Cartel. I seen all of them, and this has to be the best show because he performed his songs. Him and Chris Brown, top one, performed all their songs. Then they came out with more songs. Like, why y'all talking about something? Oh, yeah, Americans, of course, after, 1, 2, 3, I don't know none of his music, so y'all want him to bring other people so they can perform their hit songs. But in reality, Alkaline is a hit, period. All he has is hits. What are we talking about? 10 out.
Yo, that part of them I'm glad. You see, when you say perform all of your song them, but you don't know the comparison with Chris Brown. Chris Brown are way bigger artist. But for sure, how as a fan I pre for know say the artist are sing out them song fully. You understand? Because we see all of the video them. We see the whole crowd, the whole place lift up like the youth full of hits people. Cause more while me also man I talk about them artists a job. It's. When me see them a perform, yo, the amount of song with Alkaline performing at the Barclays, as she say I must say like 30 songs. Brother, I strictly hits and the people, they must sing it out, brother. They must sing it out. You understand? We see everything, watch a video, we hear everybody. You understand? The place are tear up. You see it?
10. Bye. Hang up on you. Oh.
So Alkaline sold out Barclays Center. I mean, people are shot, but watch what afford Laffy ticket, that's why it's sold out. It don't really matter if I fought in Laffy ticket. I see enough artists with bigger name than him. If you put them there right now, not even 100 people, I go, I will have 3, them I perform for. So you see, a youth like Alkaline do it, sold out crowd, and if you big up a youth like that, and music right about.
Yo, you see this $40 thing and this $30 thing, people? Are the haters make up that? Because them bad minds of the youth sold out Barclays Center. That, so them want to say, oh, him sold it out with a cheaper price. Be a lie, them I tell. Be a lie. Because you see, through them not pull up other artists' ticket. Seeing, I remember say more than one artist do shows in a Barclays based on work. So if you pull up the artist, you see because everybody pull up Alkaline ticket, but they hate because you can you think first of all people, you feel like say you can book Barclays Center and say you go put one seat for $30 and $40. You're sick in the head, man. You're sick in the head. The average I like from 75 to 80 and then it raised. Cause the top tier ticket, the people them in the ceiling. You understand? Like the lowest ticket was like 70, 80 odd, something like around so. Seeing and then it raised to 200 and odd. You understand? That's how this $40 and $30 ticket that not make no sense, brother. Especially nosebleed. That not make no sense, them not make bad money. Or them a go pay people and pay the arena and all of them thing there. Them thing they are waste of time, brother. So me hear them talk about $40 and all of them thing there, bro. That's a madness. You understand? A madness that. But we don't know the haters them stay already. Them are gonna say a bag of things for try and move the goalpost. Say, yo, Alkaline sold the Barclays, but him ticket them the cheap and way. Be a lie them a tell. You see me? Be a lie them a tell. Because through them now pull up certain tickets when other people do it. And that's why them not understand how the ticket thing work. You see me? And you know what the worst thing? Them a look on resale ticket. And I say, yo, them tickets are more expensive. Brother, all of that resale ticket money that them CJ Milan now get it. The promoter not getting that ticket. You understand? Getting that money, me for say. So you can feel like the resale ticket, the promoter get that, yeah? That means people sell back them ticket and sell it for more based on how the demands of the show.
On business with nothing else. He might represent dancehall, might represent the culture, Jamaica. You understand? And he do it by himself. As me seminar in us opening act, I'm alone, I say perform. Seeing that you have a crowd swinging. So big up yourself, Alkaline, congratulations to you, youth. Because I see the fight, I see the journey. I see all of what you go through, youth, in a life. For the way you're there right now. And I'm not time to bad mind artists. For an artist I do it, I'm represent the culture, Jamaica, dancehall, reggae music. Big up on yourself. See? I just say ball game there. And I bet you say enough people now go post in video, enough people now go, congratulate him and big him up, but you don't know.
Brother, at the end of the day, bro, Alkaline having fans them where congratulate him and big him up, You understand? At the end of the day, we as human, we're born alone. You understand? So, Alkaline 13 years now since him boss. Like, whoever see him work and rate him, we big him up. Him have him family. Him have him family or him have him girl, him have anybody. You understand? Him have him friend them to say, yo, big him up. Like, him not really need no special big up. If no other artist or whosoever in a place or dance and scene and big him up, fine. That now go make him feel depressed or anything. You see me? Cause remember, enough time you have your birthday. I know everybody will big up on your birthday. That's how you think go. You understand? So if them no want to do that, it's fine. You see me, at the end of the day, I want dancehall and I represent dancehall, I contribute to it. Yeah, so if them no want to, I feel them problem. You see me, who want big up, just big up. You see, at the end of the day, him have him fans them where love him and we respect him and big him up and hype him up and all of them little things. You see me? Yeah, cause at the end of the day, it no matter if a next artist want big him up or next personnel, at the end of the day, him fans them are gonna turn out for him. The only people him look forward to is him fans them. At them make him turn big artist. At them make him sell out Barclays Center. You understand? At them look forward for come see him. So at them him obligated for look for say, yo, my fans are gonna big me up and hype me up and all of them good things. Because them support him over the years. I know the haters are who are try fight him or who narrate him. You understand? The most important thing is his fans. You see it?
Music and politics all is the music. We don't give a fuck who want hate or who want like we. I can't go in my name. Big up yourself, Alkaline. Continue to do what you do. You represent the culture and you represent Jamaica. And that's all matter. And you do your music and you do your thing. You know boy, if a blood clot full of Barclays Center, by themselves, So you have to rate a you like that. Musically. Ganguly EP, their road. Ganguly album. It's called Fake World. The first track half of the EP is called No Man Curses on YouTube.
Yo, dog, you man smart, you fuck people, man, tell her, dog. Yo, Ganguly, big up yourself, dog. You're smart, you. Yo, dog, man did it. Yo, man are doing promotion to our too, though. I want to mean, man have to promote himself too. See, little Alkaline and the little controversy thing. Man have to use it and just promote him. What you mean, go on Ganguly and people go tune into Ganguly album. You see me, because you don't know one dancehall and music we deal with. But the man smart, you freaking man just neatly just bring in the conversation. Yo, dog, mad thing.
Ganguly YouTube channel. People support the movement, support Ganguly. You don't know clean out and do it. You know the bad feelings I carry for nobody. Big up on yourself. One life you live. Fake World EP. You want to go get on a copy, go down.
What do you have to talk about Alkaline? Yeah, man, the man himself.
Alkaline, the youngest lad, you know, just sell out him show at Barclays in a Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, man, the man himself, him we were talking about. I mean, before the Barclays show, me I see be a thing on the internet. Say Alkaline, people them a lie. Say the ticket them sell out and the show no sell off. Bro, me say a man ever in them car come as far as say CJ Milan fire the person who made the post say the show sold out. Cause I'm tell like the show is not sold out. The man
Let me tell you this. You see them man there, brother, I BLI them man there for on top on the internet, brother. BLI, bro. Tell me now, CJ Milan a fire somebody just to one post, like, come on. Yes, CJ Milan say, yo, the person that's supposed to have back and forth on the internet, like, come on. Fire somebody just like that. You understand? Come on, man. The man them we run with that, brother. The man they just corrupt, bro. Because the way, alright, first of all, the person found out and said the information, right? Remember, you know, the person could have said anything. But the person see the fight with Alkaline I get. So them forward out, you notice that specifically comment to them answer. The person see what I go on the fight and everything with the youth show. You understand? So them just make the statement. You see me not saying it incorrect. Because there's a reason why them, remember, you know, them say 13K and more than all of them little thing get sold out already based on the percentage. You understand? Where them, it's like a markup. You say, alright, when it reach a limit here, it's sold out. But we add more to it. You understand? So, them run with that and Ray and this. Because at the end of the day, you know, CJ Milan never discredit. She never rebuttal say, yo, that never go on or that amount. She never say nothing, but she just tell the person, say, yo, the back, you know, if you waste your time with negativity on the internet, I just that. Because CJ Milan herself see the hate and the fight with Alkaline. She see it. You understand? So, the fire thing, we don't even have no proof. Like, them just a run with a narrative. You understand? Them just a run with a narrative. You see me? Yeah, because what them a do, them a try to say, yo, do man fire the person. So, them a try to say, yo, choose you fire the person, means say, Alime did that tell. Somebody a just get up out of blue and just say something so. Especially Reggae Fest, if them not know, or them a put out something where them not know. I don't understand that. But you don't know the hate and the fight turn Alkaline as somebody we in love, and that happened. That's why the youth solo Barclays Center. You understand? And we have to big up the Vendetta people. Man, big up the people who love dancehall music. You understand? Yeah. All if them rate the next artist, but them still come support the music, big up on yourself. You see me?
CJ Milan fire the man, you know. Show him myself for them go for tear down Alkaline. Alright, that said Monday now. After I see the show go on and the show sell out, me as coach with my FYP and me hear myself, yo, say CJ Milan I try Billy Vibes Cartel thing. The Vibes Cartel come down and find price by telling lies say Alkaline show sell off. And some local people get Alkaline the key for the city. Boy, me I tell you say that we never say next artist have a show and so much negativity surround the artist show yet. Bro, me never hear Alkaline come out on the internet and say nothing about none of them man, bro. Like every time Alkaline have a show, the man them try publicly to try tear them the whole thing. Now,
I'm glad you said that. I'm glad you said that. Because I've been saying it. The youth just say a while ago say never see a show where so much people are tear down. And that's facts. Remember, you know, Alkaline a forward up on the media. Alkaline a post. Yo, you see when Alkaline show sold out people? The amount of people when me see post cartel showing at Barclays and writing under the comment, like them writing at them under the, you know, write some timeline under them video. I say, yo, this and that. Remember, you know, the blank space is all there all the time, right? But why on the day, why after the day when Alkaline sold out Barclays, everybody I make this post as true shades. But one king, yo, Ray, this, that. Remember, you know, them never did a post in a show and cartel, you know, before the arena where Alkaline sold out, you know. But after it show you, them want one artist do greatness. Them no want dancehall for grow. You understand? And that's the problem. Same way you say never see one show, we bring every show, every new rules Alkaline I do. Them come up with something. If I not ticket price, this, that, Ray, this, that. I'm glad people out there see what I go on. You understand? I throw back in the days like internet and TikTok. Internet never did so powerful for people realize what I go on from the early get-go. You understand? But now, it open a lot of people, especially with this Barclays show. You understand?
And the Alkaline so great, you know. I mean, everybody are fighting. I never say everybody. We know say the man them with dick red cartel. Cause that youth there, bro. Nobody can tell me say him and nobody man. In after look at soccer for cartel wood. Bro, that man can't like blood clot see them. Me never see a man dick red another artist so yet. And me know say.
Yes, people. People, may I tell you. But you know what? I rate when them eat Alkaline and them try to bring down him, you know. Yeah, man, because a lot of people out there in the world are going to see this and want to support the youth more. Because remember, we as black people, We've been through slavery, we've been through the fight, we've been through a lot. So we understand if you see when them a try bring down and fight our next black youth. Even when the same black youth don't even try to give them no attention, try to bring them down, try to do anything. The youth just close out of the media space. Like you not see my type on no Instagram, you not see my do social media. Yo, me see Alkaline now in a Amazura, right people? In a Amazura. And me not see man with no phone. Yo, you know, say when I'm producer forward out, I think the producer named Sponge. And the man say, yo, Alkaline no use phone, brother. The man not to use phone, dog. You understand? So the youth not really watch the media like that. For sure, you could have somebody run him Instagram page. The man not use social media. You see me? The man does put in the work. The man does stay far from negativity. If somebody tell him something, the man does put it in a music. And music him use and conquer them. And motivate people. Anybody who go through fighting in them life, Alkaline does put that where I get and put in their music and it just connect with the people, with the reality. You understand? So, make them go and fight, make them go and eat the youth because people out there go see what go on and want to support the youth more and the youth will get greater. And you understand? People are supporting because of that. You see me? Because him have good music. Them know him music, but them want to support him more. So every time the youth say, yo, Ray, yes, so we are going to pull up. Them are going to come show up. Because them want to see the haters come say something again. So make them go and do what them do. Because it only expose them, you know. It only expose them if you say, yo, we not bring down no one black brothers. Because I know when Cartel are them arena them, me no hear no bag of people are forward at talk about, yo, this and ticket and ray and this and that. Like how them do Alkaline show. Alkaline, Cartel them show them peacefully. You understand them arena them and everything. And getting repost them and thing them fine because the dancehall them represent. You understand? And a great artist. But when Alkaline are doing show, I be bring down them find everything. Them say ticket now sell this ray this that. Yeah man, I saw them more. But you don't know pain and the fight. You know that go ahead make us stronger, don't? Yeah man. No we not watch the haters. You see it. And I saw it thing said. Yeah man, haters you can't gain us. You see me? Yeah. You not gain nothing from haters. You see it. Yeah. But people, when you don't know, you know. Yeah man, you know what thing said. That is it.